Hello YouTube, welcome back in this new video. Today we are going to solve this problem, rotating a string. We are given two strings, S and goal. Our purpose here is to check if the string S is the same as the string goal if it was rotated. Here are the examples. This is true and this is false. So let's begin. First we are gonna check if the length of S and goal are the same or not. If it was not the same, then we're gonna return false. Then we are going to check if they are the same. If they are already the same, we are going to return true directly. So if str, we're going to compare between S and goal. It's equal to 0. We return true. Now let's begin. E equals 0 and k equals ln of the goal minus 1. So while e is less than k, and we need an integer g equals to 0. No, it's called g, just g. G equals 0. G equal while g is less than k. Now here is the big problem. We are going to increment each character by 1. So D becomes E, and C becomes D, and B becomes C, and A becomes B, and E becomes A. We are gonna increment each time until we reach goal, the string goal. If we didn't reach it, we're gonna return false. So that is PD. So S of G equals S of G plus 1. G plus plus. And first we're going to store the first, G is gonna be equal to G plus 1, so this is gonna be B. So we are gonna store the first element. We're gonna use char temp temp equals to S0, and in the end S of k is gonna equal to temp. Now here we check if compare S with goal equals 0, return true, else increment I. We're gonna loop over and over and over and over until E becomes K. Then when we get out of the while loop, we return false because we didn't find that S can be equal to the goal. So let's try it. Syntax error. No other errors. Wait. What did we forgot? G is equal to 0. Then we take the first element and increment. Wait. Wait a minute. Let's try and debug it. Printf s printf goal. /n. So it must be this +1. It did all the possible cases except the right one. Can you see this? Wait. This is wrong. A character is missing. E is missing here. Here also E is missing. Here we took E. Wait. Let's try and reverse it. There is more than E now. Maybe it's because of this. No, it's more and more E now. So let's try again. This is what we had at first. Then A becomes B, B becomes C, C becomes D, D becomes E. It was supposed to be E. So it was supposed to be E. Let's just remove this line just to be more clear. E was supposed to be moving here. Then A occurs right here, but we smashed E and put A above it. To solve this, we were supposed to increment K. Let's try this. Wait, I forgot to add that line at the end. Now let's try it. Looks like we can't. But why? It didn't move. T of S of 3 was supposed to be C4, S4. But it stayed just as it was. But instead it was moved to B. Why is that? Yes, finally, because it was when we did the modulo of k, it was returning 0, so it was going to B again. That's why it was B. So now let's submit. Finally, yes. Not the best solution, but at least we tried. So that's for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next time.